Back after the longest few weeks, I got the flu, and I do not consider myself God's toughest soldier. No, no, probably the weakest. But he said, we need some character development. We're going to thicken the plot and also have her baby sick at the same time. He's not going to sleep. He is going to be so fussy while she's incapacitated, and we're going to see how she handles it. I'm flattered he thought I was strong enough for that experience. However, it almost broke me, and I would not wish that upon my worst enemy because it is a slow and painful torture. And if you have not experienced that, do consider yourself God's favorite. However, we are back and we are better than ever. Maybe not ever, but we are better. You ever feel so overstimulated where you're like, let's just throw the whole house away, bring it down to the studs and start fresh. But then you realize, I actually owe a lot of money on this house, so that might not be the smartest business move. So I did resort to cleaning with my own two hands, and then I was feeling even more diabolical, so I started baking cookies. You can call me Martha Stewart. And they were snickerdoodles at that. Only someone on the edge of a mental breakdown would make snickerdoodles. I haven't had snickerdoodles since I was in junior high. Say snickerdoodles 5 times. That's fun to say. And rest assured that no real doodles were used in the making of them, although they were delicious. And no way on God's green earth was I going to be cooking after cleaning. And I love when Wingstop understands the assignment. They have the best ranch. So yeah, that's a little update. Did I really even clean if I didn't film it and show you guys? Feels so good to have my house finally back in order and me finally feeling like myself.